Hey guys, welcome to the ServiceNow world, and today we'll see part 26 of scenario-based interview questions in ServiceNow. As you know, in this series, we are discussing about all the real-time scenarios, or I can say scripting questions which are given by interviewer during interview. So without any delay, let's see today's task. So today's task is that, or you can say question, that is write a script to find all incidents which are created within 24 hours and have no assignment group, and assign them to service desk group and update them in work notes. So basically what we need to do here, we have to write a script in the sense background script, and we have to find all the incidents which are created in within 24 hours and have no assignment group. Okay, if they don't have any assignment group, we have to assign them to the service desk group and update them in work notes. Okay, so let's go to the instance and try to implement it. So now we are in an instance. Okay, so what we need to do firstly let's open the incident table. So I have opened the incident table, so you see all the incident list here. Okay, so what we have to apply some filters here. So first filter is that created so if you see here created on, if you see here, there is no option to put something like last 24 hours. We have the last 2 hours, but no option for last 24 hours. So for that, what we need to do, instead of on operator, we use the relative operator here. Okay, and here after will be let it be, and here I'll put 24 and hours. Okay, then second thing is that created means active one, okay, which is not closed, so I'll put active is true. Third filter is that assignment group is empty, so I'll put assignment group is empty, and I'll run it. So currently if you see, no incidents is there, okay, which are created within 24 hours and having their assignment group is empty. So what I'll do, we'll create few incidents, maybe like 1 or 2 incidents, and then after that we'll proceed with to write the script. Okay, so I'll open duplicate tab. Here I'll click on new. I'll put the color so color is able tutor, I put it. I'll put the test and I'll submit it. So if I refresh it here in the first tab, you will see one incident which are created within 24 hours and their assignment group is empty. So that one got recently I've created, that's why it's showing here. Okay, now we'll create one more. Okay, I'll click on new again. I'll put the color, maybe this time some other color, this one, and I'll put the short description test2 and submit it. Okay, so we have the 2 incidents which having their assignment group is empty that are created within 24 hours. Okay, now what we need to do, firstly we need to write a script. Before writing a script, we need a service desk group sysID, because we need to assign those incidents which don't have the assignment group, we need to assign them to the service desk. So firstly we'll check whether we having the service desk group or not. If not, we have to create it. If it's there, we have to copy their sysID. Why sysID? Because assignment group field is a reference field. Okay, so I'll just going on all, typing sys user underscore group dot list. So here you see that like a group table got open, and here I'll put service. Let's see. Yes, so service desk group is there. I'll just copy their sysID, and after that what I'll do, I'll just type background, because I need to write the background script. So now if you see, like background script editor, kind of like a script editor got open. So here I'll create one variable where group ID. and I'll assign that sysID, that is service desk sysID. So I'll write here in comments service desk group sysID. Okay. After that, what we need to do? We have to query the incident table. So where gr, go new glide record incident, and here add encoded query. Why? Because the relative operator is there. So what I'll do here, I'll just here right click and copy query, and I'll just put it here. Okay. So query is very simple. Like if you see, created is relatively like within 24 hours. So that's why we use the relative operator. And active is true, means all the open incident and their assignment group is empty. Okay. After that, after putting this filter, I'll just execute the query. Then I'll use the while loop. And what I need to do here, I have to update their assignment groups. gr.assignment_group equal to group ID. After that, there one more requirement we have to update in work nodes. So gr.work_nodes equal to, we have to assign some kind of, like say, auto assigned to service desk group because of no assignment. Okay. And after that, we have to call the update method. Okay. Once I'll update it, okay. So before I'm clicking to the run script, what I'll do, I'll go to this tab and I'll refresh it here first. You see the two incidents. I'll open both of the incident in a separate tab. And currently you see like both of the incident doesn't have any assignment group. Okay. Now I'm coming here. I'm just clicking on run script. And you see that script execution is successful, right? Okay. So now if I see that here, assignment group got populated in both of the assignment group, in both of the incident. And if you see, the work nodes also got updated, like auto assigned to service desk group because of no assignment. Okay. So let's iterate it again. What exactly we have done here? So firstly, we have taken the group ID, so group sysID, and then we have queried the incident table, and then we have used a relative operator for finding all the incidents which are created within 24 hours. And then active is true because we want to apply on the not on the closed incident, only into the open incidents. Okay. And then we have one more filter criteria, that is assignment group is empty. Then we are querying it after whatever records we are getting. After query, we are updating their assignment group, and then they are updating their work nodes, and then we are calling the update function to update into the assigned incident record. Okay. Now some of you may ask like why we use the this sysID, hard-coded sysID, because like as per the ServiceNow practice, hard-code sysID is not like a good practice. Maybe it's not good practice. Maybe you can store in a system property. That's one option. Second option is that like you can query the group table, and from based upon the name you can find it, and then you can assign assign to the assignment group. So that's also another alternatives are there. But you know, like in interview, there are some time constraint are there. So that's why like simply we have just taken the group sysID, and because of time constraint, like we want to finish it like at as early as possible. So that's why like I've used the sysID. Okay. So I think you got it. And if you still have any doubt, please write in the comment box. Till that time, thank you. God bless you all.